have in front of me a Humax HDR-1010S power unit. It's available with low-cost small parcel delivery from freetv.ie. So the idea of this is if you've either lost or damaged the power unit for your Humax set-top box, you can just simply source it directly off of our website. So what are the key features of it? Well, the first thing is it comes with a standard 3-pin plug, so ideal for the Irish or UK market, and the output on it is 12 volts, 5 amps. If we see the output on it here, we have just modified it to standard 12 volt 5 amp power units here, and we have a slightly different adapter on it here, so it just slides directly on. And the reason we need to do that is Humax have deliberately specified a non-standard connections for their boxes, so it took a little bit of effort for us to find these adapters here, but they work perfect. If we're ever shipping out replacement rework boxes, something like that, we always add these power units in with it. They're all CE approved, work perfectly, and they just work automatically with your box as the original power unit did. It's just plug and play.